Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can create epic great thumbnail for your YouTube channel in Canva. So what I'm going to write is YouTube thumbnail here, and I'm going to choose something. So first is the category. What are you going to make video about? This is so damn important. Is it music? Is it food? Is it beauty? It's tutorial, YouTube thumbnail. So which one is it? This is like up to you to choose. Let's say that I'm going to make a tutorial YouTube thumbnail. Let's say that I'm going to make a thumbnail for making tutorial on how to make a thumbnail. Ooh. So let's say that first we need to find really good font. And this is like good. I like this. So I'm going to delete the background. No, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, I will just change the background here. There's so many options to and I will write here how to create YouTube thumbnail, and I'm going to make it like not bad here. Let's see, 70. Okay, here I got it. I'm going to make it bigger like this, but we need different colors. So I will go to the photos and I will write here like YouTube. I will try to find something. Okay, so I have a logo here. That's good, that I could use. Maybe if I would have my own photo, I would use it. But for removing watermarks and for using these kind of photos, you need to pay, and you will have a link in the description for using it. So that's really up to you. Also this one, really great way what you can do is to add pixels, and right here YouTube. Okay, position backwards. No, this is not good. So yeah, maybe this one here, but I don't think this is even good, because I really want my text to be white. Yeah, I really want it to be white. This is good, this is good, this is good. So let's go with the background. And let's go to elements and let's go to gradients. And now let's choose like this color here. Now I'm going to make it like really big. Okay, I have it. Now I will change the position to backward. Now like this is pretty cool, but let's say I could do it like this. And now I'm going to add elements, and I will write here YouTube, or you can write there like gaming, whatever. I'm going to add my logo of YouTube here, and if I would have a photo of myself, I would also add a photo of myself here somewhere. So, and I would just make it like this. This is just a tutorial how you can make thumbnails in Canva. You can really play around it, but the one thing I always recommend for people is to try to inspire from your competition. So let's say that you want to make a Fortnite. So Fortnite, I don't know how to, and you see these kind of thumbnails, and try to really get them similar, because you will know that you will succeed. But don't make videos about the Fortnite. It's too overcrowded. Like, it's really, really overcrowded. It's really competitive. Like, even when you scroll down, you still see many videos. It's not worth it at all. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. You have a link in the description, by the way.